Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Today we'll take a look at the 5 best large, medium and small saucepans with lid that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. It's starting at number 5, Farberware Classic Stainless Steel Saucepans with Lid. This is an elegant saucepan made from stainless steel. It does not rust or corrode even after long use. You can make various foods in this vessel. It is also available in different sizes. The aluminum bottom heats instantly and cooks food within some minutes. The tight-fitting cover protects heat in the foods. It also includes a curved handle to hold this pan properly. You can use this vessel with stockpots and other frying pans. It can resist heat up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You can wash this utensil with the hands or in the dishwasher. Furthermore, it distributes the heat properly during the process of cooking. At number 4, All-Clad Stainless Steel Tri-Ply Bonded Cookware Saucepans with Lid. If you want to prepare many types of sausages, you can choose this shiny saucepan. It is easy to use this pan to prepare many foods. You can get this pan in different sizes. The thin handle of the vessel gives a good grip in the hands. Further, the rich quality steel does not rust or corrode in any weather. The combination of steel and aluminum does not let your food burn. It can also resist high temperatures. Moreover, you can use this saucepan for boiling vegetables and preparing soup. It comes with a lifetime warranty. Furthermore, this pan adds taste to your foods and makes them healthier. At number 3, Cuisinart 77-17N 17-piece Chef's Classic Set. The perfect choice for serious cooks, entertainers or big families. This ultimate set includes everything a home chef needs. Cuisinart offers 3 saucepans, 3 skillets, a large sautéed versatile 8-quart stockpot and a steamer insert that fits the 2-quart and 3-quart saucepans. Each pan is induction ready and suitable for any cooking surface. Each saucepan features convenient measurement markings for ease of use. Greater than features, induction ready base is suitable for all surfaces, convenient measurement markings on each saucepan, mirrored stainless steel exterior and encapsulated base for even heating, eliminates hot spots, dishwasher safe, lifetime warranty. Set includes. At number 2, GreenLife Soft Grip Nonstick Saucepan Set. Having a soft grip, this is an amazing pan set for daily use. It is available in 3 stunning colors to suit your kitchen interior. Further, this non-stick vessel does not burn any food. It also adds taste to your foods and makes them healthier. Apart from that, you can wash the pan with hot or cold water or in the dishwasher. The even heat distribution feature helps you to prepare food efficiently. You can use wooden or nylon spoons to cook foods in this pan. It is also rust resistant and does not spoil even after long use. Furthermore, the glass lid can show you the process of cooking precisely. Finally, at number 1, MIRO Aluminum Nonstick Saucepan with Glass Lid Cover. Do you love pizza and pasta during weekends? Then you must choose this durable saucepan. It is one of the best pans to prepare varieties of sausages for serving different foods. Further, it includes hard anodized material that does not rust with time or use. It can also resist high temperatures while cooking various foods. Additionally, the handles are made from stainless steel handles. You can hold this saucepan comfortably while preparing your favorite sauces. Moreover, this vessel spreads heat evenly during the cooking period. It also enhances the taste of different foods. The glass cover maintains the heat in the food. You can wash this pan easily. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.